Off DMB with Rocco. He just finished passing his CDL Class B, man. You have anything to say, any words to share with future customers?
Yes, I'd like to thank Easy Wheels for helping me pass my CDL Class B with hazmat. Today was a great day despite the fact that it was snowing and weather conditions are crazy. But thanks again to Easy Wheels.
Thank you, man. Thank you for choosing us, and be seeing you on the road.
Thank you.
Take care. Lawrenceville with Minelli. She just finished passing her CDL Class A. You did a great, beautiful job. You have any words, anything to share with future customers?
I am very happy I chose Easy Wheels. They helped me a lot. I passed. Everybody was friendly and very helpful, and I highly recommend it.
Thank
Made
you.
the right choice.
Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for those kind, beautiful words. And once again, I'll be seeing you on the road.